Apart from employees and self-employed, I will provide more help for job seekers to find employment. In particular, first-time job seekers may be concerned about the current job market. This includes our students who have just graduated or are graduating from the ITE, Polytechnics and Universities this year. I will introduce the SGUnited Traineeships program to provide our young people with opportunities to gain valuable work experience while giving an added boost for employers to emerge stronger from this crisis. Under this program, Workforce Singapore will co-share manpower costs with enterprises that offer traineeships targeted at local first-time job seekers this year. We are looking to support up to 8,000 traineeships this year across both large and small enterprises. This will include science and technology traineeships in our R&D labs, deep tech startups, accelerators, and incubators. The Ministry of Manpower will announce more details soon. I will also launch the SGUnited Jobs initiative to create about 10,000 jobs over the next 1 year. The public sector will take the lead. Our agencies have been planning our manpower needs early, and there is a range of jobs which we need to fill in emerging areas. We'll accelerate hiring plans to fill these roles while giving our people meaningful employment opportunities. We'll recruit for long-term roles in the public service and sectoral partner institutions in areas such as social services, early childhood education, ICT, so that we can enhance our provision of essential services. We'll also offer short-term temporary jobs to handle the increase in COVID-19 related operations, such as health declaration assistants, temporary management support officers, and the transport ambassadors announced by the Minister for Transport earlier this week. At the same time, we are working with the Singapore Business Federation and other trade associations and chambers to identify private sector job opportunities. This may come from businesses recruiting for the eventual recovery or with short-term manpower needs due to disruptions in labor supply. I'm heartened to see that companies such as Micron and SMRT have already come on board the SGUnited's job initiative. WSG will launch a SGUnited Jobs virtual career fair tomorrow with more than 2,200 job vacancies. This will focus on short-term temporary jobs that are immediately available. Job seekers looking for longer-term roles can consider the wider range of jobs advertised on mycareersfuture.sg. I encourage interested job seekers to explore this. The best way to safeguard the well-being of our people is by supporting them to stay employed. But as the impacts of COVID-19 on our economy deepens, some workers will lose their jobs or see their incomes significantly reduced. We will help them. Today, the ComCare scheme provides assistance to those who fall into financial hardships. We will exercise more flexibility when considering applications for ComCare during this period to ensure that affected Singaporeans can get help. Some families may require help urgently while waiting for the new help measures to kick in. We'll set up a temporary relief fund in the month of April to provide them with immediate financial assistance. This will be available at our social service offices and community centres. We'll also introduce a COVID-19 support grant at our social service offices from May to September this year to help our workers who become unemployed due to COVID-19. Low and middle income employees who lose their jobs can receive a grant of $800 per month for 3 months to tide them over while they find new jobs or go for training. In total, I will set aside $145 million for the new schemes and increase flexibilities to ComCare.